big one behind.
There's one right here.
2 10-pounders, guys.
Otro.
Nothing I can do, buddy. No more.
Cut that one off, Rob.
Dude, there's a big one following mine. Fuck Joe. There's another huge one following mine. There's a huge one following Eldon's. Get that in the net.
I can't get the fucker up, man.
Come on, you got to get him in the net, dude. I got my hands full. I can't do anything. This. Come on, dude. Get him in the net.
Here you go.
Get the fly out.
Yeah, that's it.
Holy cow, folks. Folks, this is what happens. Oh, there's a huge fish. 3 fish.
Yeah, he's a big
Fucking
one.
huge.
Big one behind.
There's one right here. Right with you.
Oh!
What do you think, buddy?
What a day. It couldn't be better. This was one of the good spots, not all the good spots.